Today, I'm not trying to land a monster. Like, this is the boat I'm using right here. You guys, I don't know if y'all ever seen this boat or not, but I'm gonna use a spinner bait, which is my go-to bait if I don't catch anything on the chatter bait. And then after that, I might go to soft plastic because that works really well at this place. And that's my dog, you guys can hear, he's over there. But I'm not trying to land a monster because in this place, there's not huge ones, but there is some really big fish. There's been some big fish shocked up out of this lake, but we haven't really caught anything over 3 pounds at this place. But we've only fished it about 4 times total, so hopefully we can land something big. I don't know, let's just see what happens. Yeah, I like that.
Good deal.
Oh, that's okay. We don't need to use chill motor. He's got one.
A little one. Oh!
So, it wasn't windy until just now.
Really? Lake. Let's go find some gold.
Yeah, we're done here. Let's go find a cove. Why didn't you say that?
Yeah. Ton of these little fish.
What?
There's a ton of these little fish. He's right out here.
Where?
That's a better one.
Get him in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's a better one there. That's a keeper. You want to keep him?
Yeah, but we're not keeping him.
Hit me right in the face.
What, like right there? Yeah. Got him. That's tiny. Second one of the day. I caught 2. I think my dad caught 3 or 4, something like that. I knew there's a bass floating over here. I just had to catch it. I didn't care what size. It's tiny though. It's about the same size as the first one my dad caught. But yeah, I knew there was a fish over here. All right, this is tiny, but let's watch the release. I don't know if y'all can see this good or not. There he goes. That's how you release big fish. Little fish I usually just drop like right there. But that's how I release big fish. So we caught, how many did we catch? 6? 4, 5 or 6, something like that. And
6 or 7.
we had a good one, and we're leaving now. We're going home. It was a good day. And he caught, I think, 4, because I caught 2. And here's the boat. I don't know if y'all saw the whole thing, but here's the boat that we used today. And I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.